So the first thing that came in this order is this new Golden Harvest collection. It is full of all of the things you would expect for fall. It's a great fall collection, but I like that it's not your purely traditional colors. It has this really pretty navy blue, and there's some greens in there, but some teals, just a little bit of unexpected pops of color. So here is what's in the designer paper pack. If you are not familiar with our paper packs, this cover sheet that comes inside every paper pack has the thumbnails of the front and back of each of the sheets of paper in the pack, but the back is pure white. It is blank, so you can use this as a background for a page. Use it if you want to mat photos by using that reverse side. It's acid-free, so it's a great free piece of paper. And I love it because it's a really good, clean, crisp white. So our designer papers are double-sided, and it comes usually with what I call an A and a B side. One side is going to be more tonal, and one side will be a little bit bolder in the designer pack. So you can see all of these gorgeous prints. So really fun, all these cute icons. You've got the pumpkins. Here's an example. This is a really bold print. This is the reverse side with more of a tonal, kind of monochromatic with leaves, and it looks like some pine cones. We have leaves, you have pumpkins, and some good geometric patterns that coordinate well. This is the tone on tone paper pack, which is just as it's named. So it'll have your monochromatic prints that coordinate very nicely. So the designers at Creative Memories, they know what we need. And our basis is our paper, right? But we need things to coordinate, and we want it to be interesting. So you can mix and match all of these papers together, and you will come up with some gorgeous layouts. So these have all of these icons as well. Nice geometrics. This is a nice ombre with these beautiful teals, jewel tone colors, some red. So I can see some of these going right into winter and great for every day. This matches the back to school collection, matches Imagine, all of the Imagine and the, the amusement park type collections, Magic Awaits. This is the gorgeous sticker pack. Our stickers come in 3 sheets. There's titles, great for cards as well. You have cute little icons. These work nicely for popping them up with your foam squares. Then you have border strips. There come 2 for each design, so you have enough for a 2-page spread, or if you like to make things symmetrical on your page, perfect for creating beautiful layouts. These are the gorgeous embellishments. They are laser cut, so they have a little bit heavier feel to them, and they have foil on some of these. Really nice. It's a little hard to see there. I hope you can see that. Acorns, of course, all kinds of leaves. Pine cones. Look at this. It's a laser cut, so it's cut out these beautiful intricate holes and details, and they are made to work beautifully with the stickers. So you can take something like this and create a nice cluster. And I can take a leaf. I have just opened these actually, so I am just playing with them as I do this with you right now. But you can make beautiful clusters, something like this. They give you some nice things to just anchor it. Take one of the fall titles, and you have a gorgeous layout. And I'm going to show you what I do, because I do get asked this question of how I organize my collections and all of my supplies. So this is one of the cases that comes out of our new organizer, and it has 6 of these 5x7 boxes. They're called photo cases, and it will hold up to 5x7 photos, but it holds much more. Acid-free, of course. So these are great for your embellishments because they won't get tangled up going in and out of that plastic. I can thumb through these and see each one that I have, and I can label these so I know exactly what's in it. But great way to keep these handy, and it keeps them ready to go. And I just sometimes slip this right in. Easy to pull them out when I want to work with them. Just snap shut. Keeps them from getting wrinkled and tangled up. Then there's a variety mat pack, and they come with 2 sizes. These are gorgeous, fun titles ready to just put right on your page. And these also are sized very nicely to be double matted with the larger size, which is 4.5 by 6.5. Perfect for a photo or I can simply use this and I have a double mat. Great way to add easy color and create simple pages. These work beautifully as an addition to embellish fast to fab pages, and you can simply add your journaling right on these. They are double-sided, so you get two different ways to use them, two different looks, and some of them are vertical and some are horizontal. These with the dot pattern, it allows you to keep your journaling straight, but they can be used horizontally or vertically. Some of these are cut aparts. So these are the two newest colors of cardstock available now. This is Canary. It's a lighter yellow, a couple of shades lighter than the goldenrod, and this one is Tangerine, which is a beautiful light orange color, which coordinates, of course, beautifully with the newest collections, and these coordinate very well together. Last but not least is our new catalog. If you would like to have a paper copy, please let me know in the comments, or you can send me a message. You can see my email, my profile, and I would drop one of these in the mail or include it in an order that you place. This is the new sketchbook. This will be a free gift from me if you place an order with me. If you do not already have an advisor you're working with, I would love to help you out with your scrapbooking journeys. This has all of the latest and greatest products with some, you'll see some sketch ideas, and you will see a few instructions on using some of our tools. And this is also available online. I'll be placing that link in the description below so you can flip through that and you don't have to wait. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Look out for my next video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you have already done that, thank you very much. I really appreciate your support. Have a good one. Enjoy your Labor Day weekend.